durable. Oh my god. It's portable. Oh my god. It's authentic. Oh my god. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon, now it's 95.
Oh, that's it. Oh! I didn't get that. I shall fetch the balls. Oh!
Its sleek physique makes it very easy to transport, and it's very portable. It's durable. It's very durable. It has this little, if you can zoom in on this, it has a little ball holder right here, you know?
Oh yeah.
Keep your ball.
Yeah, I
Like,
did that
fits
with a
perfectly.
drill bit.
Yeah. Drill bit tailors.
No, actually I carboned it.
Oh, you actually did carbon it.
I chiseled it.
And it launches.
Go.
Just like that. 60 feet off tops.
Yeah.
It
sleek
hit
like
squirrels. We hit a squirrel earlier.
Yeah, we really did.
We really did.
Mr. Black, we hit a squirrel.
We hit a squirrel.
It was
Mr.
pretty
Black.
cool.
We
We didn't have it on video though.
a squirrel.
That's how accurate this thing is. It's like tiny animals, bro, in trees.